Hello YouTube, I hope everyone is doing well and welcome to the Internet Income Ninja. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Alright guys, this is a very short video, and in this video I'm going to share with you a website that collaborates photographers with writers. So if you're a photographer or a writer, you can actually write for this particular website, and if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to share with you another income stream that will earn you potentially $1,000 plus per day. So stay tuned, and for the next 4 minutes I'll go through all of this. So this website, like I've said, allows photographers to come together with writers to publish content. Now it's a very simple site. They do have a blog, and if you were to check their blog, you would see that a lot of their stories are centered around photography and how to get the best out of your shots, out of the scenery, out of different landscapes and buildings and so forth. So when you come on here, you'll see things like drone photography. You'll see things about social networks for photographers, so photographers meeting up and just running ideas by each other, meeting different photographers, getting businesses set up with different photographers, just collaborating with them, how to sell your used photography gear. So a lot of things are centered around, well, everything is centered around photography, but with the pictures you need the words. So you'll have a picture showing what the blog is about, but you need someone to actually narrate what everything means. So that's where you come in. You can write for this site and get paid to do so. If memory serves right, you will earn $20 to $50 per post, if I'm not mistaken. I'll just leave the correct information in the description below. But when I was researching, I think it was somewhere around $20 to $55 per post. I hope I'm wrong, and I hope it's more. But this site literally does pay quite a bit, because they're constantly looking for people to write for them, to collaborate with photographers. And if you feel that you can bring across a particular point or an idea, then this would be a very good fit for you, because sites like these aren't widely known. So when you're good at it and you're getting paid for what you do, you'll make good money, especially if you're a repeat writer and they accept repeat work from you. So just check this out. And so the name of this website is called Loaded Landscapes. That's LOADEDLANDSCAPES. Right? So loadedlandscapes.com. So there we go. Loadedlandscapes.com. Right? So what you'll do when you go to loadedlandscapes.com, you will see where it says write for us. They'll explain exactly what they're about. They said we publish a wide variety of types of articles that are related to landscape, nature, wildlife, and travel photography. So if you're a blogger or a photographer and you need pictures and stories and all that stuff done, then you can use Loaded Landscapes. We publish content focused on post-processing, mostly Lightroom and Photoshop, in addition to photography-related content. We're also interested in video content if that is within your areas of expertise. We're open to one-time guest article submissions as well as regular contributors. Right, here's where I was researching it. You can earn from $20 to $150 per article. Says it right there in the print. $20 to $150 per article. So you could literally earn $150 per day. So you knock out one blog a day, you'll earn maximum 150, 100, 120, somewhere there if you're really good. And I know you're good because you watch the Internet Income Ninja channel on YouTube. So you are definitely good. But if you're not, and that's okay, and you know someone who is, share this video with them and help them make money during this pandemic. Right? I'm sure there's a lot of landscaping that could be photographed, even though you're on lockdown, maybe you're on a bicycle ride or a jog, you could stop and take photos of some things that never caught your eye when you were driving. So that's something you could look out for. Loadedlandscapes.com. Earn 20 to 150 per article. But if writing, right, so they're saying to get in touch with them, just hit the contact us button and it will take you to the contact us page. And they're saying email them to info@loadedlandscapes.com and they'll get back to you as soon as possible. So that's how you work around this website and stuff. So thanks for staying to the end of this video. If you're interested in earning $1,000 per day minimum, then this website, this system could be for you. There are many people who lost their jobs during the pandemic. There are many people who are losing jobs during the pandemic. And if you could start your own business online that could earn you $1,000 per day, a proven system that earns you $1,000 per day with minimal work, say an hour to 2 hours per day, or an hour to 2 hours every couple of days, to earn $1,000 a day. This system will change your life. Click the link below, the first link. A page will pop up. Enter your name and your email address, just so we can reach out to you to see if there's any changes with the system. We'll let you know. If there's any offers that they're offering to you, we'll email you and let you know. That's all we need your email address for. So once you enter your name and email address, it will take you to a page where you sign up for a free webinar. They'll explain everything in detail and you can make an educated decision. But after you watch that video, make the decision to build your own business. There are many people who have their own businesses who are perfectly fine right now. Those who don't are struggling, if not suffering. But guys, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Hit the like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. Videos come out about making money online very often. One of these opportunities could change your life. It could be the link in the description below. Click it to find out. Thanks so much for staying to the end, and I'll see you guys in the next one.